As solution provider, our engineers stand for the development of application-specific solutions meeting your requirements. My name is Oliver Stiegen, and I'm the head of the injection molding division at Ensinger Plastics. We are always thinking how we can serve our customers even better. For instance, by replacing metal with plastic solutions, reducing weight, your cost, and CO2 emissions. By the selection of the right material, the development of the best design, simulations and calculations, we can ensure the necessary functionality, safety, and service life of our products in your application.